Don't say nothing, you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, that's an officer that been on the force for a little minute, boy. He said, don't say nothing, you hear me?
Started from the bottom, ain't quite make it to the top. Shit hot around the block. Shoot like Robert Horry, but like Jordan always scoring. Started from the bottom.
Yeah, what up, y'all? So today we got a crazy shootout that happened between obviously a suspect and a police officer, and the police officer ends up getting shot. So let's get into the video. And we know no aiming going on, boy. No aiming whatsoever, boy. They are spraying and praying, okay? You know, it's crazy, like, because now you're starting to see the blood and stuff like that. So I wonder where he actually did get shot, because before I was saying they spraying and praying, you know what I mean? But shooting that many rounds is just like, man, like that's a crazy shootout. Like, you don't really, like, as a police officer, right? There's no way you expect to be in one of those situations, but like you always got to be prepared for it. You know what I mean? Because nowadays people are so crazy. They still going.
Put your gun away. Put your gun away.
He's down. He's down. He's down. He's down. I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I'm killing you. I think it's just ricocheted the gun.
Man, that cop been on the force for so long. You see how many chevrons he got? Like, those are the lines the silver lines that go across, man. Seem like he been on the force for years. You hear me?
Don't say nothing, you hear me?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, that's an officer that been on the force for a little minute, boy. He said, don't say nothing, you hear me? Because they are recording, you feel me? So you don't want to say, you don't want to be saying too much, you feel me? Like, just keep that joint on the hum bun, you feel me? And then once everything is off and everything, then you could be more, loose, for the officers and stuff like that. So yeah, that's crazy though.
Fucking A. Hey, Rob, let me get some air. Let me get some air. Let me get some air. Please. I hear you. I hear you.
Damn, stay off the fucking air!
I think it's ricochet.
Relax. Doral 732. I'm with the officer that shot. Rescue on the else, Danny?
I think that's it. I think that's it.
Where were you shot?
What is that?
Ricochet in the face.
It's just a...
Relax. Only officer. Yeah. Subject down. You got him.
I need to stand up, please.
Chill.
Yo, that officer is going to get so much props when he get back to like the force and stuff like that. Like guys is gonna be like, oh yeah, okay, boy. Okay, 21-year-old cop, like, okay. You know what I'm saying? Like yo, that's crazy. Some cops don't experience nothing like that their whole career. You feel me? So to be very new into your career and already like earn your respect and your props, you know what I'm saying? Like that's crazy. Like that's crazy.
Marico, un tiroteo, un tiroteo. Un tiroteo. Mierda. Al piso, al piso. Mierda. Es la gente, es la gente. De aquí mismo, weón. Oye, 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 oye. Oye, oye. Cuidado, al piso.
They going at it, boy.
Mira.
They going at it.
Policía, policía.
Dade County, you heard? Miami-Dade.
Cuidado. Policía, policía. Mierda. Qué tripeo. Holy shit. Kirga. Mamá huevo.
Man, them boys was both dumping, man. Them boys is dumping. They letting it go. Like, the criminal, he letting it fly. The officer letting it fly. Like, let's go. He ready to go. You hear me?
Mierda, weón. Mira, 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 mira. Mira la policía, weón. Estoy aquí en la policía. Frente a la policía, weón.
Wow, they got the helicopter out, man. And everything. Cops is cops and cops and cops. That's one thing, man. If a cop gets shot or is in a shootout,
more about the two Doral police officers hurt in that shootout Friday after officers Daniel Vilarchao and Johnny Beutelus were shot. The suspect was killed by police. Local 10's Ian Margot live in Doral with the latest developments on this. Ian.
So there is still crime scene tape here on the ground right where this all happened. In fact, the next tree up, that is where the crash happened that ended this chase and where the shooting began. And what's unbelievable about this entire thing, it happened directly across the street from the Miami-Dade Police Department headquarters. This entire situation still under investigation.
Marico, un tiroteo, un tiroteo.
Gunfire in Doral on Friday, sending 2 police officers to the hospital and leaving another man dead.
Oye, 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 oye.
This all apparently started as some kind of altercation here at City Electric Supply in Sweetwater. We're told 25-year-old Yordany Rodriguez used to work at that shop, had an argument with someone there, and then ended up in a car chase with that person before he ended up crashing his black BMW here into this tree directly across the street from the Miami-Dade Police Department. Doral police officers stopped to see what was going on, but they say Rodriguez jumped out and started shooting at them.
He struck the officer's vehicle several times.
Damn. that boy was ready to crash out. He said, fuck it, I'm crashing out. Like, he don't care about his life at all. Like, what? Because of an altercation that you had over there, like, that probably wasn't even that serious. You feel me? Like,
the officer and other officers that were in the vicinity opened fire. They struck the subject.
Apparently, he was able to run some distance from the initial crash as bullets were still flying. You can see where they struck this fence and building nearby, but the 25-year-old didn't make it much further and died from his injuries. The two officers shot, 31-year-old Johnny Beutelus and 21-year-old Daniel Vilarchao, were both taken to the hospital, but have both since been released. We're told Beutelus will need surgery, where a bullet is still lodged in his arm.
man, that's crazy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.